I know it. I think we had a train last break. We did okay. Didn't have nothing super crazy, but for the odds of those boxes, we did okay with 2 autos and a numbered card, or a refractor, I guess you'd say. It's crazy because the refractor odds for those boxes are 1 in every 102 packs. And the baseball break second, we only opened 35 packs and got a refractor and 2 autos, so I say that was a success. They weren't like huge names or anything, but hopefully this basketball break we can shake the rafters a little bit, get some excitement going in here. One of the first hanger breaks we did, we pulled 2 autos out of 8 of them. Again, they weren't like, crazy big name autos, but one of the guys doesn't have a lot of autos. He was a rookie and he played for the Raptors. Sammy was telling me, and when you don't have a lot of autos out there, if anybody's a fan of you, they can become valuable that way. But anyways, hopefully we find some cool stuff. Let you guys look at the back there. You can get numbered cards in here. The hangers are also known for their variations, the rookie variations. And then they've got the orange prism inserts as well. So some of the things to look for. Anyways, if you guys can see and hear me okay, if somebody wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up or let me know it's all good. We will go ahead and get started. It's the old inaugural edition of NBA Hoops Premium. I'm sure they'll do it again this year. Go ahead and point it down a little bit more. Alrighty. We will go ahead and get it rolling. Once again, the purple discos are going to make or break us. Everything rides on those rookies in the purple disco section of the hanger pack, so hopefully we can get a bunch of them. We got a Torian Prince, Victor Oladipo, Denzel Valentine, LeBron James, Buddy Hield, Frank Ntilikina, Pascal Siakam, Evan Fournier, a Jarrett Culver rookie, the T-Wolves, Matisse Thybulle for the Sixers, random Kyle Anderson in the middle there. We got a Bruno Fernando rookie, Paul Millsap. Oh, that ain't bad. Silver Anthony Davis. I thought it was going to be LeBron there for a second. A nice one for the Lakers. Got a little AI action. Green tribute for the Sixers. Nice card. And our purple discos are Jamal Murray, Kent Bazemore, Draymond Green, and Miles Bridges. So we didn't get any rookies this time. And Jackson Hayes arriving now for the Pelicans. Tough one to start with right there. Like I always say, I don't know why they did it like that. You either get rookies or no rookies in the purple discos. So hopefully we have some hangers where we get 3 or 4 rookies and very few, if any, hangers where we don't get any. Mosaic basketball should be coming out again. It was about this time last year, maybe even earlier last year. Bojan Bogdanovic, Tristan Thompson, George Hill, D'Angelo Russell, Danny Green, Markieff Morris, Thomas Bryant, Drew Holiday, Lonnie Walker, Fondu Cabango rookie for the Clippers. There's a Zion rookie. Nice. Nikhil Alexander Walker. Not bad. There's a John Morant tribute. Will take. Oh, got silver Josh Hart. Saw the Pelicans and then I saw the player. I always take the silvers though. Can't complain, I guess. There's Dame Lillard green for the Blazers. And our purple discos. Nikola Vucevic. Vince Carter. Damian Lillard. And Jeff Teague. And we have a silver back here. Hey, that's a nice one. Nice Kobe White insert. Class of 2019. I don't remember his hair being that tall, but geez, he's got... I couldn't play like that. That would be bothering me. I feel like that would slow me down a little bit. So he has a little bit better box there. Got a couple big rookies. I like this jersey color they use for this rookie card. I don't see it too often. Usually it's either the white or the regular blue. Zion's rare one would probably be the red jersey. I don't see that one a whole lot, but there you got Luke on the front of this one. Find some purple disco rookies in this one, please. Alright, there's Luka, Goran Dragic, Andre Drummond, Jarrett Allen, Donovan Mitchell, Terrence Ross, Derek Jones Jr., Andrew Wiggins, a KZ Okpala rookie for the Heat, Jeremy Lamb in there. Got a Nasir Little rookie for the Blazers. Karl Malone tribute. Oh, sweet. I've not seen one of these in a while. Got a high voltage Kawhi Leonard insert. These are fairly rare. I do not pull these very often at all. This is just the base version. I'm pretty sure they have a hollow version, but we'll take it. Got a silver Allen Smologic rookie for the Warriors. A green rookie, Brandon Clark. If we had some purple rookies, this could be a pack. Oh yeah, Talon Horton Tucker. Got a Kobe White. Rolling. Taco Fall. And John Stockton, purple disco tribute. So 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Ooh, then we got a silver Jason Tatum insert. Very nice. That was the best box yet. Still rolling. Just gotta keep getting better and better. It is weird like that. You either hit 3 or 4 rookies on the purple disco section of the pack, or you just get all veterans. It don't make any sense why they did it that way, but it may have just been easier to run it down the print line like that. Pack them up, ship them out. I know they shipped out a lot of NBA Hoops Premium. That stuff was on the shelves. I'm pretty sure it was on the shelves well into 2021 even. They're releasing it like crazy. And Talon Horton Tucker, purple there. Yeah, I'm not sure how rare these are, but I've opened a lot of hoops and have not pulled a lot of these at all. Very few. Probably more than I could count on two hands, but I'd say less than 20 for sure. I don't know that I've ever pulled a hollow high voltage. Austin Rivers, Wendell Carter Jr., Wilson Chandler, Justin Jackson, Brooke Lopez, Enes Kanter, DeAndre Jordan, Danny Green. Got a Tyler Hero rookie. Jalen McDaniels rookie for the Hornets. DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks. Another Ja Morant tribute. Got Ja Morant variation. Sweet. Nice back-to-back there. Malcolm Brogdon silver for the Pacers. Got another parallel for the Pacers. Domantas Sabonis. And our purple discos. Looks like they might be a disappointment here. Jeff Teague, DeMar DeRozan, Russell Westbrook, and Mike Conley. So no rookies there. We did get a Cameron Johnson silver arriving now. Those cards always look pretty slick. Be interesting to meet some of the artists who like work for the different companies. I guess they all would work for Panini. Or maybe they just hire like freelance artists to submit ideas for inserts. I don't know. Alright, that was a halfway point. We've been doing alright so far. I wish we could get some more purple rookies, but we got some time here to find some. Maybe we get lucky and get a auto or something as well. So whenever the purple disco has that white one at the top, I think that's usually a tribute, the white disco portion. And hopefully if we get a tribute back there, that means we've got some rookies with it, but we shall see. Miles Bridges, Miles Turner, Justice Winslow, Thonmaker, Harry Giles, Dennis Smith Jr. Ooh, we are not doing good on these base cards. Josh Jackson, Ersan Ilyasova. That was probably the worst lineup of base veteran players I've seen. Jordan McLaughlin, Romeo Langford, Alan Smologic, got a Dame Lillard tribute, a Tyler Hero variation. Maybe that'll get something rolling for this pack. Jordan McLaughlin silver for the T-Wolves. Got a Norman Powell green for the Raptors. And we do have a rookie. Purple Disco, Rui Hachimura for the Wizards. Got Nicolo O'Malley for the Pelicans. Dwayne Dedman, random one in there. Another Kobe White. Kobe White's having a day. Nice Purple Disco tribute. Got a Kawhi Leonard silver lights camera action. I'm interested to see how old Terrence Mann plays this year. If he's still playing. I don't know if he's still on the roster or not. He should be because he had an awesome end to the season last year. But I don't know. I think he has a Prism card. I know he's in here. I just don't know like how many cards he's got out there, but he played really well. I believe it was the playoffs when Kawhi was out. He had some games where he was doing some good things for the team, so it'd be interesting. I always like to watch the guys who didn't really get a huge shot, like their rookie year or even their sophomore year, and see how they come out, like as the team depletes and some of the stars leave or get hurt or whatever. Kawhi seems like he never plays, so maybe Terrence Mann starts stepping it up. You kind of know what to expect with the Zions, the Morants, the heroes who, put up 30-plus minutes a game. And, if they do something crazy, jump their point average up 4 or 5 points, it's not a huge deal. But I like to watch those guys who are averaging 15 minutes a game, scoring 6 or 7 points a game, shoot up and become pretty decent next year. We'll see. Sure, there'll be a few different guys perform. All right, let's find something special here. Maybe an auto or something. Marcus Smart, James Harden, Dwayne Bacon. Got kind of a stuck cards there. Danilo Gallinari, Nerlens Noel, Manuel Moody, Marvin Bagley, Kyle Lowry, Lucas Smologic, not Smologic, Lucas Samanic. That's a total different person. Mariel Shayok, rookie. Cameron Johnson. Got a Rui tribute for the Wizards. Oh my goodness, another one. Are these not rare or something? Got another John Morant variation. Jeez Louise. Terrence Ferguson, silver. Got a Jarrett Culver green rookie for the T-Wolves. Thought the variations were rare, but pulled 2 John Morants the same break. Purple Disco, Lonzo Ball. Rudy Gay, Steven Adams, and Rudy Gobert. We have another silver lights camera action. We're getting these like every pack. Karl Anthony Towns for the T-Wolves. Yeah, I had an 8-box break where we didn't get a single variation. And we turned around the next week and got 3 or 4. I think this has been the next break. We've gotten 3. 2 of them have been John Morant. I think we got 4 John Morant rookies so far. You grab another Zion or 2. The Thunder have like 3, maybe 4 rookies in here, but I don't know that I've seen one yet. Old Baisley and Lou Dort usually run together, like back to back. I think Roby's on the Thunder in this set. Got Domantas Sabonis, Jordan Clarkson, Jaren Jackson Jr., Will Barton, Jason Tatum, Jimmy Butler, Malcolm Brogdon, Yusuf Nurkic, Jahlil Okafor, J.R. Smith. I think there's another card behind J.R. here. Jordan Poole, rookie for the Warriors. He's another one that might make a little more noise this year. Al Horford. Got a Brandon Clark rookie. Actually, I take it back. I think Klay Thompson's going to be good to go. So, Allen Iverson, silver. So, you got a couple different parallels of this card for the Sixers. Got LaMarcus Aldridge, green for the Spurs. And maybe we found some more purple disco rookies here. Eric Paschall for the Warriors. Malik Monk, random one in there. Dylan Windler for the Cavs. And finally got an RJ Barrett. I almost forgot about him. Got a purple disco tribute there. Hey, there's a nice one. Silver class of 2019 Zion. Nice insert. This break's been alright so far. I'd like to have another Zion in this last box, but I've been doing alright. Be cool to find a nice parallel of LeBron or Luka. I was watching a video the other day on YouTube. This card may have a little bit of burrs down at the bottom or something. I was watching a video the other day on YouTube. A guy opened a Contenders 2021 blaster. It's the not draft but regular. It's the one that's got Luka on it. I think they go for like $32 to $35 on eBay or something, but they're not like in stores anymore. But he opened a blaster up and he pulled it was like a green shimmer Steph Curry sticker auto. It was a sticker, but still, I about lost myself watching it. I was like rewatched it to see if he had like repacked it or something, just so he could make a cool video. It was plain as day, straight out of the pack. So I always thought those Contenders blasters were kind of rough pulls. You get like random autos, but that had to have been like a 1 in a 100,000 pack odd type deal. Anyways, here we go. Last one. We got Kevin Love, Anthony Davis, Nikola Jokic, Alex Caruso, Josh Hart, DeJounte Murray, Himo Diallo, Joe Ingles. Got a Smologic rookie for the Warriors. Another Jarrett Culver, Matisse Thybulle, Kyle Anderson in there. Maybe a variation? No, just regular old Bruno Fernando. Got more rookies in there than I remember usually getting. Bojan Bogdanovic, silver. A little throwback Blake Griffin here, green for the Pistons. Man, this might be our worst box yet. Kelly Olynyk, purple disco, Luke Kennard, Spencer Dinwiddie, and PJ Tucker. And we do have an arriving now, RJ Barrett. Yeah, that was probably the worst box that we've had, unfortunately. Did not hit really any solid rookie cards except for a little RJ insert there. Well, let's go ahead and do a recap. I know we pulled some decent ones. Not get an auto tonight, unfortunately. I got an Allen Iverson green tribute. Anthony Davis silver. Kobe White silver class of 2019. Got a Damian Lillard purple disco. Damian Lillard green. Ja Morant tribute. A Zion base rookie. Silver lights camera action Jason Tatum. Got a John Stockton purple disco tribute. Taco Fall, Kobe White, and Talon Horton Tucker all purple disco rookies. Brandon Clark green. Alan Smologic silver. A high voltage Kawhi Leonard. I need to take some time and look on eBay and see how many of those are actually listed, because like I said, I don't pull a lot of them, so I wouldn't expect there to be a huge population count on those cards. Cameron Johnson silver arriving now. A Ja Morant variation, a Ja Morant tribute. DeAndre Hunter, Tyler Hero base rookies, a Kawhi Leonard silver lights camera action. Kobe White purple disco tribute. Colo Melli purple disco. Rui Hachimura purple disco. Silver Jordan McLaughlin. Got a Tyler Hero variation. Karl Anthony Towns silver lights camera action. A Jarrett Culver green. Another Ja Morant variation. Silver class of 2019 Zion. Purple disco tribute of RJ Barrett. Dylan Windler purple disco. Eric Paschall purple disco. Silver Allen Iverson tribute. And an RJ Barrett arriving now insert. So we pulled some decent cards. Got quite a few nice rookies. Just didn't find any autos or numbered cards in this one. Got skunked on a few of the boxes with the purple disco rookies as well. So anyways, always fun ripping hoops. I'm sure I'll try to list one or two each week going forward, whether it be mega boxes or hangers. I think I actually have more blasters than anything, so I might have to make a listing for a blaster break at some point. But anyways, preseason basketball is supposed to start tomorrow, or I guess it would be today since it's Sunday. I think there was some games today, so it'd be interesting to watch that and get into all the different Facebook groups and see what people are talking about as far as basketball goes. So anyways, if you guys need anything, just shoot me a message. With the Sunday night breaks, I'll do free shipping if you're in any breaks tonight, because I can always just combine everything because I just do all the shipping on Monday. So just shoot me a message if you get anything tomorrow, and we will catch you guys later. See ya.